Stop laughing at me. Anthony's laughing at me. What is up, my beautiful humans? Stop looking at me. Hey guys, it's Sarah. You just talked in my intro. Rude. So what is up, people? It is Sarah. And you are clearly watching a new video.
Stop.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you should totally hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, which are probably lame too, but it's okay. And you should totally give this video a big thumbs up and share it. So this video is going to be a makeup look on this right here. I'm not a beauty guru. I have no idea what I'm doing, but if you want to know what I do, because I get a lot of people who ask me what I do for my makeup and like how I do my makeup, then you should totally keep watching this video. But I'm gonna hurry up and go because you know your girl's camera's gonna die. Peace. Hey. Okay. So this will be like my everyday makeup routine besides the eyeshadow that I use. Like with eyeshadow, I kind of just like practice with it because like I want to learn new things. So every day I kind of just switch it up. The first thing I do is prime my face, and I use like a few different things. The first thing that I use is this Prep and Prime by MAC. I just spray it all over my face. And then next, for the primer that I use the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I just put it all over my face and like where I have like really big pores. Okay, so next I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty in the shade 240. I usually just pump a few pumps on my hand, like 3, because it's like so like full coverage. You don't need that much of this. And then I just take my finger and put dots all over my face. And then after that, I still have like a little bit. That was a little bit too much that I put on my hand, but I always keep a makeup wipe next to me so I can wipe anything that I have that I'm not going to use off. So I just wipe that off, and then I just take this beauty blender that I have, and it looks so big, but that is because I usually like damp my beauty blenders or wet them before I do my makeup, just because I feel like it makes my makeup go on smoother. So I'm just going to take this flat inside and go in. Okay, so once I feel like it's pretty blended, I go in with my NYX Studio Photogenic Concealer. So I go in with that and I conceal my face. Take another beauty blender that I have and go in and blend it. I'm so sorry if you can hear my boyfriend in the background. He's like screaming. He's one of those gamers. Okay, so after I take that concealer, I do go in with another concealer, and it's the Fenty Beauty concealer set. collection thing. So I don't actually know what colors these are. This is like, I have the Trippin', the Bamboo, and the Mocha. So I just take the Bamboo concealer and I go in and I still like go under my eyes, and then I do my T-zone again. And then where my smiley line is, like, because when I smile, like this line, I conceal right there because I'm going to bake right there. Like I said, I'm not a beauty guru. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is just what I like to do. And I mean, everyone picks up their own skill, like own different skills. And I know there's right ways to do things. It's just, this is what I think looks good, so. Okay, so after I am done concealing everything, I go in with my Airspun. My Airspun translucent loose face powder. And honestly, like, I don't know what I'm doing with makeup. Like, I know that there's right ways to do it, and I'm no beauty guru. And like, I love makeup and I try different things and I'm trying to be like good at it, but I don't know if this is good. And I don't really know how to bake, so don't judge. So I just take some of my translucent powder and I put it in the lid. And then I take this like angled brush thing that I have. I don't know what brand it is, so don't ask because I don't know. I just take some and I put it on there, and then there's like a lot that gets on there. So I just shake it off, and then I am going to set all of the areas that I concealed. Once it sets for a couple seconds, I just take this big fluffy brush that I have. Don't know what brand, and then I'm just gonna like wipe it all off. Next, after I like wipe off all that setting powder, I go in with the Mocha from the Fenty Beauty Trio, and I am going to use this to contour, like liquid contour. I don't even know if I contour right. I don't know if I do any of this stuff right, so don't judge. So next I just take this oval brush and I go in and blend that out. But I am also going to spray my MAC primer on here just so it keeps my face like radiant and stuff. I'm going to spray it on my brush. I just take it, put it on my brush, and then go in and blend. Okay, so once I am finished blending all of the contour, the liquid contour, I go in with my actual powder contour, and right now I'm using the Ulta contour kit. So with this, I just go in with basically all three of these colors. This one is the darkest one, and I only take like a tiny bit and blow it off, and that I'm just using literally for like the top. Just looks like my cheekbones stick out more, like it's just gonna be, I don't know what I'm saying. So once I am finished with that, I take another big fluffy brush, and my contour is like not all the way blended, so I just go in and like blend that. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but that song is it still, even though it gets played every single day on the radio. It is still it. You go, girl. Like, okay. Back to my makeup. So next, what I do, so next what I do is my eyebrows. Let me just tell you, I am not the eyebrow queen, but they used to be so bad, and like they honestly probably are still bad, but they're just so much better than they were, and I'm just so blessed because, whew, a girl needed help. So what I do for my eyebrows is I take my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and it has like a spoolie, I don't know what this is called, thing, on one end, and then it has the actual pencil on the next. And with this I just kind of go in and like shape my eyebrows, and yeah. Next I go in with the Anastasia, Anna, I don't know, Dip Brow, and I have the shade Dark Brown. I just take a angled brush and I go in and get some on there. So once I'm finished doing that and going over the lines that I did with the brow pencil, I go back in with that spewy thing that's on the other side, and I like just brush all my hairs up again. Next I go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. I don't know where my highlight brush is, so I'm just taking a brush and just going in and mixing those two. I'm glowing. Looks beautiful. So the last thing I do is mascara. So just go in and I'm doing my mascara. Okay guys, so this is the final look.
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? They said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss be popping. I'm sitting at my locker and all the boys keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me?
I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
If you're new.
Shh. And subscribe if you're new, and share this video and tell me what you guys think. And I know that I don't know the makeup terms and like really how to do my makeup, but this is just how I do my makeup. So if you guys want more makeup videos though, you should totally let me know, and like I'll totally keep practicing because I want to learn new things and I try new things every single time I do my makeup. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Bye!
I don't want to go yet. I look so good.
Stop it.
Alright.